Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use a surface to create this spoon. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step, go to create a sketch and select the top plane and select line, construction line, click here in the midpoint. Make a construction line here with 35 millimeters of length. And now select the circle and remove the construction line type. Make a circle here coincident with this line with 25 millimeters of diameter. And go to constraint, select coincident, select the circle and this point. And create another circle here with 10 millimeters. And make the circle coincident with this point. And now go to create and select the arc, 3-point arc. Make an arc here between these two circles in the both sides. And go to constraint, select the tangent. The arc must be tangent with the both circles. And go to constraint again, select the equal. These two arcs have the same radius. And the radius here is 31 millimeters. And now go to modify, select the trim, cut the circle here. And we made the sketch 1. So finish the sketch. And now go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And here we will rotate this a little bit and go to create, select the project included, project, select the construction line here and press OK. And move this to the front view, hide the sketch 1. And we have this line, select this line here, make this a construction geometry. And select the line and activate the construction line type. Make a line here with 5 millimeters of length. This line is a vertical line and coincident with this construction line here. And the distance between this construction line and the midpoint is 12.5 millimeters. And now go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, remove the construction line type, click here in this point, and in this point. So we made this arc here. Finish the sketch. We have the sketch 1 here and this arc, the sketch 2. So go to surface and select patch, and the boundary edge, select the sketch 1. And here active the radius here, sorry. And here we will select this arc. And we will make this surface here, press OK. Let me make an analysis here, show this. We made this one, okay. And now go to create a sketch and select the top plane. I will hide this body a little bit. Select the circle. Make a circle here with 25 millimeters of diameter. And go to constraint, select the coincident. Make this arc coincident with the midpoint. And make the center of the circle vertical with the midpoint. And now select line, a construction line type. Make a vertical line here inside of the circle. And the distance between this line and the midpoint is 1.2 millimeters. And now go to trim, cut the circle here. We made this arc and finish this sketch. And now go to create a sketch again and select the front plane. And select line. And select a construction line type here. Make a construction line type here with 15 millimeters. It is just for reference. And now go to create, select 3-point arc and remove the construction line type. make an arc here, and make a line here. This line must be tangent with this arc, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 10 millimeters, and the distance between this point and the midpoint, this point is the center of this arc, is 7.5 millimeters. And the angle between this line and this construction line is 15 degrees. And the length of this line is 85 millimeters. We made this sketch here. So finish this sketch. And now go to Surface, Sweep. And the type here, Single Path. The profile, select this arc. And the path, select this sketch here. And let me show the body here. And the orientation, perpendicular, distance 1, and press OK. We made this one. And now go to Surface, Stitch, to combine these two surfaces. Select this surface and this one, and press OK. So look that we have only one body here. And now we will make a cut in this surface here. So to create this, go to Create a Sketch and select the top plane. And here I will hide this body a little bit. And show the body 3. And go to Create, select the Project Include, and select the project, or press letter P in the keyboard. And the selection filter here, select this arc. Make sure to select this 2 point here and press OK. Hide the sketch tree. And here select line, a construction line type. Click here on the midpoint. Make a line here with 81 millimeters of length. And go to Create and select arc, center point arc. Remove the construction line type here. And click here in this point. Make an arc here with 5 millimeters of radius. And now select the line. Click here in this arc. Make a line here. And click here and hold the left button to create an arc coincident with this point. And go to Constraint, select Tangent, select this line and this arc. And go to Sketch Dimension. The radius here is 10 millimeters. And the angle between this line and this construction line is 1.5 degrees. And now make the same in this side here. Go to Constraints, Horizontal, Vertical, select this point and select this point here. Select a line, click here in this point, make a line here and make an arc here. Go to Constraints and select the Equal, select this arc and this one. So we made this profile. And here, finish the sketch. And go to Surface and select Trim. Show the surface here, the body tree. And the Trim tool will be this sketch. So select this profile here. And now we need to select the face that we want to remove. So we need to select this surface here, but in the outside, okay? To remove the outside here. And press OK. Hide the sketch 5. So we made this one. And now we will add thickness to this surface. So go to Create and select Thicken. And here, select this surface. The face and surface here, select this body here. And the thickness here is 0.7 millimeters. And the side is one side, and operation new body and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.